Oh shit! Oh mate, okay that. I got it. That was dangerous. Bastards, bro. Show him the bus, show him the bus. Show them this, show them this. Yeah. It is quite a bumpy car. It's because it doesn't have a roof, which doesn't help with the bumpiness. I just want to do a little segment where we're talking about like my business and shit. So you're going to be like, okay, so how are you going to make this money? So ask that.
So how are you going to make this money?
Oh shit, sorry, I was really bumpy. No, let's redo the line. Yeah.
So how are you going to make this money, mate?
I mean, I've kind of just been doing brand deals. And I mean, it's been going all right. Just, so you get me flustered, and I went into first, and there was no need to be in first. Okay. One more time.
So, mate.
Yeah, mate.
How are you going to make this money?
How am I going to make this money?
How are you going to make any money? Huh?
Well, right now, I'm kind of doing brand deals, and that's going pretty well, but I need to make this course. Like, I've said this before, but I'm making a course for teaching everything I do on CapCut Mobile. Thank you for holding that. Okay, yeah, so I'm thinking I just actually have to lock in and do some work, because making videos is so much more fun than building out a course. But building a course is the thing that's going to make me like maybe an extra 3 or 4K per month that I'm just not doing. I don't like building courses because it hurts.
I don't like working out because it hurts.
I don't know, man. That's all I wanted to say. So I just wanted to let them know that. So this is the end of the segment. But now we'll just cut back to me. We'll cut back to me. Okay, so 2.5 years ago I made my first video on Instagram. The videos were shit. A year later I was on like 300 followers.
I'm documenting my journey here. I never made a YouTube video like this before. Never talked to a camera. But I think this is going to help me to keep myself accountable.
A year after that I was on 10K, and right now I'm at 60K, which is still crazy to me. And I've been procrastinating making long form videos for a while, but I feel like I just want to get my name out there more and not just be the guy who does here's how to make this in CapCut Mobile tutorials. So this is going to be such an imperfect video, but there are no perfect shit, I was going to drop like a really hard quote. There are no perfect conditions to start. Starting is the perfect condition. So we're here, we're going to do it. And I just want to show you what I've been up to in the last couple months as a creator, what my creative process looks like, everything that goes into my life that allows me to work in this way as a creative. So I'm probably just going to cut in a few random clips from my life, networking events, editing, building a course, and hopefully that maybe inspires you to go and do something. Hopefully you get something out of this. Alright, see you in a bit. Good morning. We are going to London today to basically meet up with a bunch of different entrepreneurs and content creators. We all put an announcement on our stories. It looked really professional. It was pretty cool. So in about half an hour we're going to go to the train station, we're going to go to London, and we're going to meet some pretty cool people, I'm pretty sure. So take it from here, London Sam John Crates. I'll take it from here, past Sam John Crates. So fucking stupid. I've been networking, man. We're just going to show all the people here. And the great thing about editing is I can edit the whole thing and make it look like I'm not insanely social.
Okay.
Ignore me, guys, don't worry.
What brings you to London?
Fashion.
Okay.
But I'm getting into event photography because that's what brings my
Really fucking cool. Thank you all for showing up. Just going to give you a little bit of a rundown of what we're going to do today. We want this to be different to any typical mastermind. I don't know how many events you guys have been to before, but we want this one to be about storytelling. And that's why we're here today. We want you guys to talk to each other, tell your stories to each other. Later on, I'm going to do a little bit of a talk about storytelling, how you can use it to keep and convert the attention of your customers and also viewers, how to do that in a short amount of time, how to do that every single day. We'll get into that in just in a second. What I want to start with is kind of a little icebreaker, and I like to call it just like a 5-minute problem solving session. People are going to have 1 minute just to say what they want to do in their business, what they want to do in their life, and the rest of the table has 5 minutes then to ask questions about that, and then decide on a plan of action. Does that sound good? We want to do that? Yeah. Alright, perfect. So we'll get that started now.
I've been a content creator for about 2 years now. I was a video editor for a while, just kind of editing for different companies and creators. And to be honest, it was a bit wank. I didn't really want to do that.